Videos coming in from Abuja show the former Vice President of Nigeria and two-time presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the Waziri of Adamawa State, former Kaduna State Governor, His Excellency Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, former Anambra State Governor and Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 general elections, Mr. Peter Obi, former Rivers State Governor, Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi, former Osun State Governor, Rauf Aregbesola, Senator Dino Melaye, and other prominent Nigerians leading a protest to INEC headquarters, insisting that INEC must recognize David Mark's leadership of the Action Democratic Congress ADC. The banner simply reads, "Tinubu, let our democracy breathe."
Atiku Abubakar. Please, can you clear that place? Please, make sure the truck is moving with us. The truck is Nobody in front. 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 Come to the back. Come behind. Say Atiku. Say Baba Atiku. Go side, I beg. Go side. Stop it now. What So if you just join us on top BBC Pidgin this morning.